In honor of Cybersecurity Awareness Month, we're sharing stories from real people who faced online threats. Today's theme is scams, or phishing messages which are sent by cybercriminals to trick you into revealing sensitive information or downloading malware. Let's start with a story from Scott, who received a disturbing phone call.
My cousin Joey called, claiming he'd been pulled over for driving under the influence and was now in jail needing bail. The caller sounded exactly like Joey, complete with his Boston accent. He even mentioned my dad's name and recalled a past incident involving his father, which supposedly my dad had helped with. It all seemed so real. The details, the urgency in his voice, and background noise mimicking a processing area in jail. Yet something didn't add up. There were several red flags. First, Joey and I hadn't been in touch for a long time, so his sudden call was unusual. Second, the story about my dad helping his father didn't match what I knew about their history. Lastly, when I requested to speak with an officer or get direct contact information for the jail, the caller hesitated. I was struck by how well researched the scam was, with accurate family details and a convincing impersonation of Joey. Today, with advancements in AI, scams like these are more sophisticated. It underscores the importance of having a family safe word to protect sensitive information and finances from cyber criminals.
And that's exactly right. Having a family safe word, a code word or phrase that those close to you know that can be used to verify the legitimacy of a caller's identity, and verifying stories through another channel of communication can help prevent these scams. Next, here's Victoria's experience with a phishing email.
I received an unexpected email at work claiming to be from an e-fax service. At first, it seemed like it might be legitimate, but something didn't sit right. So I ran the email through the SLAM test. S, sender. The email claimed to come from a common fax service, but the email address looked nothing like the company it was claiming to be from. L, links. I hovered over each link and they all went to the exact same address, even if each link claimed to go somewhere different. A, attachments. There weren't any real attachments, just fake image previews. M, message. The tone was generic and encouraged clicking the link. At this point, I knew something wasn't right. Instead of clicking anything, I forwarded the message to our IT and cybersecurity contact. They confirmed I was absolutely right not to click. It was a phishing email designed to trick users. Using the SLAM method helped me think critically and avoid falling into a trap. Phishing emails are getting trickier, but taking a few seconds to analyze can make all the difference. I'm glad I trusted my gut and the process.
This is an excellent example of why it's important to pause and analyze every message before interacting with it. The SLAM method is a great tool to use while scrutinizing potential threats. Scams come in many forms, from impersonation phone calls to too good to be true text messages or urgent emails. Cyber criminals are always mixing up their tactics. Stay alert, trust your instincts, and when in doubt, report it.